99% of people sound like total robots when they invite friends to a party.
Wait, really? I always just say, please come to my party.
Stop saying that. It sounds like a formal command, not a fun hangout.
But how else can I say it without being rude?
Today, you'll learn 3 secret ways native speakers invite people so they actually want to show up. In 2024, nobody likes mandatory fun. You need to sound casual and confident. Lesson 1, stop using please and start using are you around?
Isn't that just asking if I'm busy?
Exactly. It's low pressure. Try saying, are you around this Friday? I'm having a few people over.
Oh, so having a few people over is the party part?
Spot on. It sounds casual and inviting.
What if I want to invite my boss or someone more formal?
Then you'd say, we'd love to have you join us for a small get-together.
Get-together sounds much more sophisticated than just party.
It is. Now, let's level up for lesson 2. Native speakers love using swing by or pop in.
Like a bird? Swing by?
Not quite. It means to visit for a short time without a strict schedule.
So, you should swing by my place on Saturday?
Perfect. It makes the guest feel like they don't have to stay all night.
That definitely feels more relaxed. What if they ask what time?
You say, anytime after 8. It shows flexibility.
I love that. Swing by anytime after 8. Got it.
Now for the most valuable tip in lesson 3, the BYOB secret.
BYOB? What does that mean?
Bring your own beer or beverage. It's a must-know for house parties.
So I just tell them to bring their own drinks?
Yes. You say, I've got snacks, but feel free to BYOB.
Does that sound cheap?
Not at all. In the US and UK, it's totally standard and expected.
That saves me a lot of money and stress.
And don't forget to mention, the more the merrier, if they want to bring a friend.
The more the merrier, that means everyone is welcome?
Exactly. It makes you the ultimate host. Ready to see how this works in a real conversation?
Let's do it. I'm ready to practice.
Hey. Are you around this Saturday night?
I think so. Why? What's up?
I'm having a few people over for a housewarming. You should swing by.
That sounds awesome. What time should I be there?
Any time after 7 is fine. We're keeping it pretty casual.
Should I bring anything? Wine? Snacks?
I've got the food covered, but feel free to BYOB if you want something specific.
Can I bring my roommate too? She's in town.
Of course. The more the merrier. See you then.
Great. I'll see you Saturday.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say, you should swing by, out loud.
Go on, try it. Comment your favorite party phrase below.
So remember, ask if they're around, use swing by, and mention BYOB.
I feel so much more confident inviting people now.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day. See ya.